ASI team that has been conducting the survey of the Rani Ki Baoli, where the team is trying to determine the age of the stepwell and also look for possible existence of a tunnel. The local residents claim that there is a tunnel inside the well that connects it to the Banke Bihari Mandir nearby. In fact, when it comes to the excavation work that started on the 21st of December, and officials say that the stepwell that was built during the reign of King of Bellary, where a two-member team visited the stepwell and took pictures and collected soil samples to study the bricks and the material that was used for construction. We have Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, has the team there reached? If you can give us a live update of what's happening there.
Yes, right to the two-member team here you can see at the Rani Ki Baoli. And they had been collecting all the minute detail for the last 1 hour. They had been here inside the Rani Ki Baoli. They collected each and every detail. You rightly said, one, they are trying to find out existence of the tunnel here in this area. Second, they are also trying to find out age of this Baoli. This Rani Ki Baoli is said to be constructed in 17th century by Bellary King's forefather. And here you can see they are trying to brief also there. Let me again show you. You can see they are trying to collect minute detail, and Times Now is the only channel they're on spot giving you the entire details about the minute detail that is being collected by the team of this officials here. They are trying to take the measurements. They're trying to find out what kind of the brick is used. They're also briefing the people involved in the excavation work, and so that if there is any tunnel that is connecting with the Banke Bihari temple, that can be unearthed, because people believe that there is a tunnel inside this Baoli that is connecting with the nearby Banke Bihari temple. So there's a lot of curiosity among people, and that's one of the reasons that excavation team was briefed that how they have to continue with the excavation work. Let me show you. This is the place which makes people believe that there's a tunnel. You can see that this is the tube-like structure. I'm just trying to move inside the structure to show viewers. So what kind of Baoli is this? Why people believe that there's a tunnel?
Well, losing that connection there with Pradeep as he's trying to get us the first-hand update, the pictures there that is now coming in of the two-member ASI team as far as visiting the site for the second time in the last 1 week, and what all that has now been discovered on part of this excavation that has been taking place on this Rani Ki Baoli, that has also been a part of the excavation work that has been taking place. Pradeep, if you can still hear me, just take us through the live pictures that have been coming in right now as far as the inspection work that has been taking place. This is the state ASI team which is conducting a survey of the Rani Ki Baoli, or a stepwell that is exactly there to determine its age and the construction material that has been used by when it was constructed, and looking for possible existence also of a tunnel as well. The locals, the residents there have been claiming that there is a tunnel inside the well and that connects to the Banke Bihari Mandir. Yes, Pradeep, we were losing your audio. The connection, I believe, is back. If you can continue telling us and what's happening there with the pictures.
Soil, they're trying to unravel the mystery behind this Baoli, because the biggest mystery that is for the administration as well as people is that existence of tunnel. Whether the tunnel exists or not, only time will tell. One, the excavation work is so. But right now, you can see excavation work here is continued, and you can see that how the team of officials, they inspected each and every site. They tried to collect minute of the details. They tried to measure the size of the compartment, the gates that is leading towards the Baoli. They tried to measure that gate. Proper measurement was done. Also try to collect a soil sample also, because soil sample will also help them know about the age of this Baoli. So they collected soil sample. They took pictures of the texture also. They took picture of the texture because this is 3-story Baoli. If we go towards the first story, that is made up of marble, and the second story and third story, you can see the brickwork is being done. So they try to find out what kind of brick is used. So whether it's a small size brick, what is the width of the brick, they also try to find out. They took pictures, and then they also moved towards this area, which actually the mysterious part, and which actually they want to find out whether the tunnel exists or not. Locals say tunnel exists. Even historians believe that there was a tunnel connected to Banke Bihari temple. So whether the tunnel exists or not, only time will tell once the excavation work will be over. But yes, all I can say that here archaeological survey team had been briefing these people involved in the excavation process that how delicate this work is.
So the team is still there as far as the inspection work is going on. In fact, what all that has been found there This is all part of the ongoing work, the excavation, the digging work that has been taking place in Sambhal. Pradeep Datta getting us the first-hand update with the pictures, joining us live there. Thank you very much for the moment.